A safe and efficient forklift fleet shall operate like this. Authorized operation. The operator shall use the real name to pass qualification authentication, swipe the card to start the engine, and conduct the face recognition. Mandatory real spot inspection. The employee shall complete visual inspection, operation inspection, and brake inspection successively according to the prompt on app, and effectively assist in completing daily spot inspection. If the employee fails to complete inspection according to the prompt, the forklift cannot start. Key on time. Operating time, loading time, mileage, and number of times of loading off the forklift will be recorded in the system. Based on such data, an intuitive and clear form will generate, and the manager can view it on a mobile phone or computer through face recognition. The system will monitor the operator's behaviors, such as phone calling, smoking, and excessive fatigue, and give an alarm. Event reminder. The system automatically reminds forklift maintenance, annual inspection of forklift, and expiration of operator's certificate. In case of collision accident, the system automatically records the vehicle number, personal identity, and time of occurrence. A panoramic camera can be selected for real-time monitoring and recording the cause of effect of an accident. You can lock the forklift and stop operation after the collision accident. An unlocking shall be implemented by the manager. Battery monitoring. It monitors the battery condition and timely reminds you of water depletion and high temperature. Besides, it can record the complete charging and discharging time. The forklift charging room is equipped with a battery charging room and a warning device for hydrogen and smoke, which can detect the fire risk at any time and prevent fire. System data report and analysis. Timely grasp key data and easily improve the forklift efficiency and safety. Use big data to improve management and optimize path. No matter where the warehouse is located, the mobile devices achieves one-touch operation and management. It assists the manager in better optimizing the whole fleet and keeping the fleet at optimum state all the time. Connect WMS, MES, or ERP. Data analysis is more comprehensive and accurate. Active safety function. Collision prevention. When a pedestrian approaches the forklift, it will automatically give an alarm, or slow down or stop. Technique: forklift safety management expert.